This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by editing the extension source, open the extension folder and locate manifest. JSON. Add an action object that specifies default icon and optionally default pop-up so Chrome knows to create a toolbar icon. Use properly sized PNGs, 1648, 128, to cover UI scales. Incorrect sizes often fail. Once done, make sure manifest version is 3 because Chrome. Action is the supported path. This is why the icon appears automatically when the extension is installed or loaded, rather than relying on older APIs. Next, load the extension so Chrome registers the action entry. Open Chrome, //extensions, enable developer mode, then choose Load Unpacked and pick your extension folder. Chrome reads manifest, action and places the icon in the extensions menu or directly on the toolbar. If you need a dynamic icon, call Chrome. Action. Set icon from your background/service worker with image data or path. This lets you change states. Make sure file names match manifest entries. Mismatches prevent display and show a default puzzle piece instead. Finally, pin the icon so it stays visible. Open the toolbar extensions menu, find your extension, and click the pin. Test the pop-up by clicking the icon and verify any Chrome. Action methods run as expected. Use console logging in your background/service worker to trace issues. If the icon does not appear, make sure your manifest version is correct, icon file names and paths match, and that you reloaded the extension. As a troubleshooting tip, restart Chrome after changes. Chrome sometimes caches extension resources, and a restart forces a full reload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.